Hello students, I am Garima Gupta from Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we are going to make tasty and delicious dish chili paneer. Now you can see that I have arranged all the ingredients so we can see that onion, capsicum, paneer, garlic, salt, then red chili sauce, green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, dark soya sauce, vinegar and black pepper powder. I have arranged it already in my table. We need to add soya sauce into the batter of corn flour and maida. You can see here that I have added corn flour and maida, and I have added soya sauce into the batter, and we have to add salt as per our taste. It's totally depending on our taste. We can add salt as per our taste. After adding this, we need to add 2-3 pinches of black pepper powder. You can take homemade pepper powder or you can purchase from the grocery shop. Now we have to mix it well. Now in between we have to place a pan on the flame with a tablespoon of oil. Now we will dip paneer cubes in this batter one by one. You can see we have to dip like this and then slide it slowly into the oil. We have to do one by one. Each and every paneer have to be placed into the batter and then slide into the oil as it is shown in the video. You have to be very careful while doing this. We don't have to mix them. We have to leave the paneer cubes in the oil until the batter forms well. Fry the paneer on the medium heat until it gets crispy. Once it's done, stir it out and keep aside. Now for the next step, we will add some chopped garlic into the pan. We have to take 1 tablespoon of oil for this and add the chopped garlic into the oil and mix it well. Mix it till it smells good. And now we will add diced capsicum and we will mix it together with the garlic, and now we will add chopped onion into it. We have to mix it well so that it can become softened, and as I said in the beginning that we have to add salt as per our taste. Now once again we will add a little salt, because adding salt into any substance will release the water and that water will help it to become soft and browny. So add salt and again mix it well. Now we are going to add sauces into this chopped onion and capsicum. We will add soya sauce in the beginning. I have added 3 to 4 teaspoons of soya sauce. After adding the soya sauce, we will mix it once again, and then we will add tomato ketchup, which is known as tomato sauce as well. We will add tomato ketchup. You can see that I am taking around 2 to 3 teaspoons of tomato sauce here, and then we will add green chilli. Green chilli is again depends upon your taste, green chilli and red chilli sauce. So add as per your taste green chilli sauce and then red chilli sauce into this pan. Now we have added all 4 sauces. We have to keep on mixing so that the mixture get into capsicum and onion. On top of this, we need to add red chili flakes. It is easily available in our kitchen. Now add dried paneer cubes into the pan and mix it well. Mix it well. Now our chili paneer is ready. We can serve it as appetizer or with rice or noodles. As it seems, it is very tasty and delicious. Thank you very much for watching this video.